Hello, good morning. Hope you guys are having an amazing Tuesday. I'm Kelly Frick of Kelly Frick Connect, here to transform your Tuesday, transform your health, transform your wellness into thriving, right? We want to have an amazing, thriving mind, body, soul, spirit connection to our health and wellness. So today we're going to talk about being tired. Oh, are you guys tired? I'm actually doing much better. Sometimes we get super tired, right? For so many different reasons. It can be because of our nutrition. It can be because of our exercise, lack of exercise, how we're managing our stress, how we're managing our rest, our toxin load, so many different things, right? But the question is, do you then tend to lean on caffeine, on coffee, to be able to get you through the day? I know recently I have been. And the problem is I love coffee. I love the taste of coffee. It's just so, it's so empowering to me. I love the aroma. It's just, I know some people acetylene don't like the smell of it, don't like the taste of it, any of it, but I love it. When I had my thyroid storm many years ago, I had to actually totally pull off of caffeine, of all caffeine, not just from coffee. Because for me, what was happening is it was actually pretty much flatlining my adrenals. My adrenals were like way too much. So let's understand a little bit of why caffeine in coffee especially can sometimes be really detrimental for our health. Especially us as women, how it affects our estrogen, our hormonal levels, things like that. So caffeine in coffee, it mimics stress in our body. So it can mess with our HPA axis. It's triggering the cortisol to rise and to stay up high for too long. So it can then create, issues with our other hormonal balances. And like for me and anybody who has fibrocystic breasts or PCOS, it can definitely wreak havoc with all of that. So needing to be able to swap out with decaf can be really super important. And it can be simple though too, is that, swapping out from regular coffee to decaf coffee, and then swapping to decaf black tea, or doing a simple swap as simple as matcha green tea. All right, so matcha green tea is super nourishing for the body. Yes, it does have some caffeine in it, but it's a different type of caffeine and it's a different load into your system. And what's great about matcha green tea is it has lots and lots of antioxidants, and it's 6 times more potent than spinach. That's super crazy, right? And it boosts our metabolism. So it's a really great way to be able to get a little bit of a boost for our system without wreaking havoc with our cortisol levels and stuff like that, the way coffee does. All right. And remembering that, again, us as women, we need to really be conscientious and supportive of our system. Well, that's already a beautiful balancing act, right? So another really great way to be able to get a jolt in the morning rather than matcha green tea. Let's say you just really are like, oh, that's just too earthy of a taste, and you want to really switch from coffee to something that's just more energizing, is you can make a lemon water with stevia and cayenne pepper. Super simple. So what I did with this is I have a little mixer, put some regular purified water, I put a drop or two of lemon oil, a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then a couple of drops of stevia. I shook it up, and this is going to be something that's not only detoxifying, really great for my gut first thing in the morning. Cayenne pepper just kind of wakes you up, feels really good and great. Another great way to be able to get a boost in the morning without having to hit the coffee is you can do a drop of wild orange with a drop of peppermint. All right, and what's great with this is you can then rub together, hand diffuse it, put the excess on the back of your neck. You can put it on the bottom of your feet, put it on your adrenals even, to be able to really support your system. Put it on your arms so that you're ready to go for that walk, ready to hit the gym, ready to do different things to help manage your stress, manage your toxic load without adding to it and spiking your cortisol levels with caffeine. All right, so that is some really cool nitty-gritty stuff to think about how to be able to switch out your coffee caffeine to things that are going to be a little bit more supportive with your system and your hormones. That it's going to be more nourishing, right, and loving. So remember, the foundations that we want to be able to naturally take care of our body is we have, eating. Food definitely can contribute to our energy. Exercise definitely can contribute to our energy. Rest and managing our stress, reducing our toxin load, and then making sure that our health care is informed self-care as well as proactive medical care. When we're taking care of our lifestyle building blocks, then we're able to really get to the target of where is our energy at? Are we manufacturing our energy with boosts of stuff that can create toxic loads in our system and stress and trigger cortisol, things like that? Or are we doing things naturally to support ourselves and listening to our bodies? So a quick reminder, this Saturday, in-house, those of you who live here in Georgetown, I will be having my wellness workshop every first Saturday of the month, and it is the first Saturday coming up, which is super cool. And I'm going to be talking specifically about women's health, about estrogen, about cycles, about how to track our cycles, and how to be able to naturally support our hormones. And so those of you that will be coming in-house, you will be able to enter into a drawing for the Essential Oils Hormone Solution book. This is a super awesome book. I've been totally geeking out with it. Lots of great recipes and stuff. But this will be here for anybody who comes. Will be able to get their name entered in to be able to have the chance to win this book. If you want to be able to receive this book free from me, in another way, message me or comment below, free book, and we'll definitely talk more about that. And another quick reminder, if you came to last month's wellness workshop and you bring a friend this month, then you will be gifted with an aroma touch. So if you haven't come to a wellness workshop, definitely come this month so that you can get your name on the books to be able to receive a free aroma touch the next time you come to a wellness workshop. So lots of great freebies, lots of great content and information. There'll be handouts, there'll be lots of great infused water and snacks, always fun stuff to be able to learn and grow together and to be able to experience this amazing transformational lifestyle together. All right, I look forward to your comments below. Definitely share this with anybody that you think that would benefit from transforming their health and wellness, from illness to wellness, from surviving to thriving. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.